Welcome to the class, everybody. Before we start this class, we would like to do a recap of what we've done in the past or in the previous class.
Yeah, where did we write the start tag?
Write the start tag inside the head.
Okay, yes, correct.
What else did you put in your navigation bar when you built it?
About.
Okay, good. About.
Said, okay, someone is sending message to the chat. So someone said negative. So that's very correct. Alright, so the cascade algorithm determines how a particular style will be applied when there's a conflict between them.
Then you go to control.
Okay, control. What would I take?
Forever block.
Okay, I'm taking a forever block. Very good. So what's the next thing?
Go to motion.
I'm going to motion. Then what's the next thing to do?
And use the go to.